Do you ever feel like you've got too many side hustles to manage and not enough hours in the day? Maybe you're freelancing, running an online store, experimenting with digital products, and trying to grow a social media presence all at once. It sounds exciting, but it can also feel overwhelming. The good news? In 2025, artificial intelligence has become a practical partner that can help you juggle all of these projects without burning out. Today, I'm going to walk you through 10 real tools powered by AI that make running multiple side hustles easier, smarter, and way less stressful. Let's start with the first one, Notion AI. Think of it as your second brain. When you're handling multiple projects, it's easy to lose track of ideas, deadlines, and random notes. Notion AI can take messy notes and turn them into clean outlines, summaries, or even ready-to-go action lists. So instead of flipping through endless notebooks or tabs, you get a clear plan to follow. For someone running 2 or 3 hustles, that organization can make all the difference. The second tool is ChatGPT. Yes, it's the AI that can actually help you brainstorm, write, and edit. If you're running a blog for one hustle and writing product descriptions for another, ChatGPT saves you hours. You can feed it your rough draft or bullet points, and it will help shape them into polished, engaging content. The key is to use it as a creative partner, not a replacement. You give it direction, and it gives you the words that match your style. Third, let's talk about Canva's AI design features. We all know design matters, whether it's for social media posts, ads, or product packaging. But not everyone has time or skill to design from scratch. Canva's AI tools can instantly suggest layouts, generate matching color palettes, or even create images from your text prompts. That means your Instagram side hustle doesn't have to look like an afterthought, even if you only spent 5 minutes making the post. Now, if you're into selling online, Shopify's Sidekick is worth exploring. It's like having a virtual business assistant inside your store. It can suggest ways to improve your product listings, recommend promotions, and even handle customer questions. Running an e-commerce store usually eats up time, but Sidekick helps you scale without needing a full team. Tool number 5 is Descript. If one of your hustles involves video or audio, this tool is a lifesaver. It lets you edit recordings as easily as editing a Word document. You can remove filler words, cut mistakes, and even clone your voice to fix errors without re-recording. For content creators managing podcasts, YouTube channels, or courses, this tool saves hours every week. The 6th tool I recommend is Zapier with AI automation. If you've got side hustles scattered across platforms like emails, spreadsheets, calendars, and payment apps, Zapier connects them all. Now, with AI features, it doesn't just move data, it makes decisions. For example, it can automatically tag your expenses, send clients custom replies, or move leads into your CRM. That kind of automation frees you to focus on the creative side of your hustles. 7th is Jasper AI for marketing. If you're running ads or email campaigns, Jasper can help you create targeted copy that fits your audience. Instead of spending hours rewriting sales text, you can test out multiple versions quickly. The faster you test, the faster you learn what sells. And for a freelancer or small business owner, that speed means more growth with less guesswork. Number 8 is QuickBooks with AI insights. Money management is usually where side hustles fail, not because people don't earn, but because they don't track. QuickBooks now uses AI to flag unusual spending, predict your cash flow, and even remind you about tax deadlines. It's like having a financial advisor watching your back so you don't get blindsided. The 9th tool is Copy.ai. While it's similar to Jasper, it's especially useful for short-form copy, social captions, headlines, and quick ad hooks. If you're running multiple side hustles, you know the pain of switching voices between brands. Copy.ai can adapt its tone to different projects, helping you keep each hustle's personality distinct without draining your creative energy. Finally, tool number 10, Grammarly with AI tone detection. If you're emailing clients, pitching partnerships, or sending proposals, tone really matters. Grammarly's AI doesn't just fix typos. It tells you if your message sounds too stiff, too casual, or unclear. That way, you can adjust instantly. When you're managing multiple side hustles, every interaction counts, and sounding professional builds trust faster. So, let's pull this together. Running multiple side hustles is absolutely possible in 2025, but only if you have systems that keep you sane. These AI tools don't replace your work, they amplify it. They cut the boring tasks, polish your output, and give you back the one thing you can't multiply: your time. The question isn't whether you can handle multiple hustles. It's whether you're willing to let technology handle the parts that drain you.